So today I tested DeepSeek R1 and it is so good. I'm gonna show you and why you should worry about. There's a reason. If you're an SEO writer or content writer, this video is for you. And in this video, I'll try and test out DeepSeek and DeepSeek R1 and show you what the percentage of AI influence is there in the written content. So I first, came up with this screenshot, which is a simple one. So you can see right here. So let it open. So this screenshot, okay. And asked it to, build an interactive calculator just like this. And I want it in custom HTML to copy paste, and it has written. So if I run this thing, okay. So if I run it in HTML, so you can see it has built, but this is not as interesting as ChatGPT or bold.new, okay. Not ChatGPT. I compared it with bold.new, but yeah, if you see my previous videos, I have compared with bold.new, so it is pretty good. But building tools, bold.new. But let me show you a scary thing, okay. So I just asked, this was the earlier model, okay. So I just asked it to write 500 blocks word count, and I gave some prompt in first person perspective and humanize content, break down complex sentence into simpler words and write like you're having conversation. So it has written content, okay, done. So I just copy paste into the quillboard and show you the amount of influence it has, okay. So 55%, boom, we got the AI generated 55% and human written 45%. But again, I just activated the DeepThink R1, okay, and I gave the same prompt again. So take a look at this, guys. Just read, just pause the video and just read how it is thinking. So it said, okay, the user want me to write another 500 blog about selling land post in California. And then you can see right here, okay. So it went ahead, and this one paragraph is very interesting to read. You can see right here, wait, the user might be agent or someone in the land looking to connect with clients. The blog should not only inform but also build trust. So it is at certain point it is thinking like human. So that's how we write blog articles, right? That's how we make videos, right? To build the trust, keeping in mind, including specific strategies that worked, like working with investors or using online platforms. Now you can see finally proofread. It is also doing proofread to ensure clarity and all points covered. And if I copy this, okay, if I copy this and go to the quillboard and paste it, so boom, zero influence. And you can see right here it's human written 100%. You know what that means? We are very near to writing, replacing SEO writers, okay. So DeepSeek might be the DeepThink R1, it might be the entry point, but yet still it's not always 100% accurate or 100% provides humanized content. 100% is not accurate always, okay. If you're an SEO writer or content creator, content writer, writing blogs or websites, you can rely on DeepThink R1 and use it as an assistant. With this process you can fast track your blog writing or article writing and improve your writing, okay. So you can use it to overviews or FAQs, answering one word, one sentence answers. But now the paragraph, you still need someone human to review and break down if there is any complex sentences.